Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be decorating my social media, which is a classic size dashboard layout. It is from 2021, so we will be redating it. Stay tuned for that, but meanwhile I wanted to say thank you if this is your first time coming to my channel, and if you are coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so very much. I really appreciate you. So here we go. Let's glue this left side page to my planner and trim it up, and then we are ready for the best part, which is stickers. Who doesn't love some stickers? I mean, I've been going crazy with stickers in general. I ordered my new stickers from the Happy Planner release, and I'm waiting for more. So as you can see, never enough stickers around where I am. Okay, so this is the week of September 12th through the 18th, so we'll be redating this at the end. But before that, I'm gonna go ahead and decorate this planner with Vintage Botanicals from Recollections. This book has been, or Vintage Floral from Recollections. I've been absolutely loving this book. I don't know what it is about it, but the colors, the stickers, all of it is just so appealing to me. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and hope to do justice to these stickers. Look at all of those. Like, it is the last week of summer. I know that that doesn't mean that like fall and winter are here, but technically the weather is proving to be right with that around where I am. So as I'm looking throughout the window in my planner studio, I see that some of the leaves are starting to turn and fall is definitely on its way, at least where I am. I know most of you guys love fall, don't be jealous, it will get there for you guys too, and I'm a summer lover, so maybe I shouldn't be living in the state I live in, but oh well, right? You live where you live, and sometimes you have reasons why, and for me it's most of them, my family is here and I can't imagine living apart from them. So okay, I'm gonna be adding some florals, some really like major florals to this spread because again, I love it. So fantastic, live life in full bloom, wild and free. All of these flowers are just speaking to me and I need to have them in my planner. Okay, blue ones, let's maybe put this up here so I don't lose a huge amount of flowers or a space for me to put flowers in. Okay, so I'm adding just boxes for my videos, and I think that I need a box practically on every single day, so let's try to make this happen. And I can always write on my planner, but if I can write in the box, why not, right? I don't know if you guys feel the same way, but I love having boxes, but I also love writing in my planner. So I don't know, it's a toss-up. But look at these floral, I mean, look at this hydrangea. Oh my lord. So my favorite flowers are orchids, and the second favorite flower is hydrangeas. Both of these are so difficult to take care of, but I can't help myself. What is your favorite flower, and do you grow it? Do you work on it? Like, what is your feeling about your favorite flowers? And do you buy them often? Like, do you have fresh flowers in your home at all times? I know some people do. I I feel bad doing that because it's very, like, they die. I feel bad. But I do have a lot of live plants in my house, like really a lot. So I'm not sure if that's where like the love of the floral spreads comes from, but plants do make me happy quite a bit. Okay, so as you can see, lots of stickers in this plan with me. It's a little bit crazy, and that's okay because that's just who I am and I can't help myself. So let's go ahead and add these florals. Well, can I add more florals to this? Probably not. I think I have exceeded the amount of stickers I can use in here. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and redate and see how it looks after redating. I think I need to use black to redate with all of this color. So let's start with Monday the 12th. I am using Agenda 52 calendar sticker book from like way back when. I think it's 2017 or 16 when they came up with this, and I'm just using it to redate my calendar. And after that, I will be all done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this spread. If you did, let me know. If you love floral spreads, where do you think that love of floral spreads comes from? And I can't wait to plan another spread with you guys very soon. Have a great week, and I'll see you very soon.